Hello, everyone. Welcome to this TDA News TV. So, thank you for coming around. Thank you, and God bless you. So, today we have two topics. Two topics we want to talk about today. The first one is about one woman and TB Joshua, and the second one woman when he see somebody for Facebook, he go meet the person and the person use her for ritualists. So the first one wey I first talk, we wan talk about TB Joshua and one woman. One woman come out, he come talk say when they attend TB Joshua church years back, he said the man force himself into her. That word arrow, I no wan use am because YouTube no dey permit that word. And you know say na new channel be this, so I just want to respect myself. So he said the man dey force himself inside her, and ever since when this Bisola and Pastor Abiodun matter come out, many celebrities don dey come out, everybody don dey talk. They say why he go do that thing, they say no to such thing. Even some people even protest sef. I think you understand, but some no come out. And I know of two people wey be say e no come out because they do the same thing to person, and the person let me know. But anyway, that one na story for another day. We'll talk wetin carry us come, you understand. So this woman, he come out come talk say TB Joshua don do this thing to her, and he dey do am to many other people for inside that church. He said but they no dey talk come out. They no dey talk come out. He said that's why they use the opportunity dey talk am, and he don write book about am. So when we listen to this woman, then we'll come back.
Before I brought out my camera, you said something about yourself. Please, can you say it again?
Yes, I said I was also sexually molested by TB Joshua.
Okay.
I was trapped in the synagogue for 14 years of my life. I spent my youth in the synagogue until God set me free. If not for God, I would not be here today. And I've documented it in a book form. Not the time to dress up, this is the time to address. Yes, and I'm also talking on behalf of other young girls that are still in captivity of TB Joshua. 8 years old, 14 years old, 11 years old. Yes, I'm saying it. 11 years old are still there because they have money, because they have fame, because they have connection. They can put people down.
Okay, I hope you guys listen to this woman. Though this woman, I don't feel hear when she talk such thing for Pastor Adelaja. I think at Sonny Adelaja, something like that. That man from Ukraine. So I don't feel hear her story from that platform also. I think about years ago or so. So before this woman come out again now, she dey talk her own. They talk say na so they dey do am. Anyhow, how you see am? You have right to say your comment there. But the most important thing be say this matter of this arrow word, when they force themselves into person, they do am for enjoyment or they do am for rituals, because it's getting out of hand. Any woman that I believe say they want, they fit get am. Despite say we dey talk say pastor this, pastor that, if he want any woman and he go approach that woman go gree for am. Then why e be like say you come dey testy all the ample dey go, you chop this one, chop this one, chop this one, chop this one, chop this one. I no understand. Maybe na purpose that mean dem dey do this thing. I no really know sha. Anything you fit say your opinion. But the second one be say, the second news wey be say this woman say her Facebook friend, na through Facebook they say know each other. Then the man come dey talk, the man come tell am say make he come, he go help am for her problem. As the woman go, na so he carry something give the woman drink. After the woman drink the something finish, the woman come wake. Na so he say he silence the woman, but they come catch this man. Wetin you think say dey make our people dey waka all this kind waka, dey pursue miracle dey go? Where you dey pursue all this miracle dey go? Una go here dey find miracle. This miracle one na dey pursue dey go, so na two things. If you too pursue miracle, you no pursue God, you no go see the miracle. And this miracle one na see say e dey happen, so na two ways. E get some wey be say the miracle no just dey happen na arrange. They go arrange the miracle put for there. Why some the miracle dey happen but nothing goes for nothing. If devil dey give you with this hand, they collect with this hand, they go extreme other place they go dey take power go till dey give una miracle wey be say una go say headache dey worry una if una dey comot for there na belle na go come dey pain una. Many people don pursue miracle, they don lose their life. See this woman now, she lose her life. Anyway, I'm gonna watch this thing first before I start to dey talk again. Me I no waste time.
On May the 31st, 24-year-old Dotun Ogunlade allegedly lured a Facebook friend of hers, 25-year-old Bosede Oguntunde, a married woman, all the way from Ilorin in Kwara State to this village in Igbora, Oyo State, where he supposedly worships as a prophet of a white garment church, promising to solve her problems. Unknown to her, she had embarked on her last journey on earth, as her Facebook friend already had plans in which she would play a pivotal role at enriching a client of hers known as Mutiu Ayorinde.
I've been chatting with the woman since the beginning of this year, around January. So, but before then, I told the woman that I want to come to Loni to come and do revival. After that, I told the woman that can she come and greet me at Igbora, and said she can come. When she come, I entertained the woman into my house. When after second day, I called to that I've seen somebody that we can use. Mutu said I should continue on the process. I strangled the woman to death.
A search on Facebook provides a further clue to Bosede's identity and her history with the suspect. Her body parts were burned and ashes poured into this little gourd displayed beside the butcher's knives. The State Commissioner of Police, Shina Olukolu, warns social media users to be extra careful.
She was allegedly injected with an overdose of sleeping drug and subsequently overpowered, strangulated and killed. Be careful in moving from one area to another without informing family members exactly where they are going, either as an adult or a child, because there are evil ones all over the place. They are out there luring unsuspecting members of the public to their death.
This is not the first time the dangers of social media platforms have become reality. While individuals cannot be stopped from making friends or seeking help on those platforms, police authorities advise users to be cautious when seeking such relationships.
Okay, my people, una see it's how it silence this woman because of miracle. Where will they pursue this miracle they go? Because of miracle, many people don't lose many things. They don't lose their life. Now, so one pastor they conjure me about, I think a year or 2 years ago. Two children died for inside swimming pool. Their parents say that they find miracle. They go say the pastor one come preach for so place. They can't go rent hotel, so they go stay hotel. The hotel get fishy pond where they go. The children they play ball. Now so they take fall for inside the fishy pond. Before people know what they happen, now so the two children they take go. Now one na half caste, while one na black pikin. Now they talk say the pastor not come ask them say which load they carry. You wey dey pursue miracle they go. If you dey your house, your miracle go happen to you. Seek first the kingdom of God. All other things will be added unto you. Now wetin God talk. You no expect God to give you miracle today when you are not doing the right thing. If you want miracle of good health, go and give the poor people food to eat, or pay hospital bill for somebody. Pay hospital bill for somebody. You will have a miracle of good health. Give the poor to eat. You will have a miracle of feeding. Then anything you do for person, that is what you will get. If you encourage somebody today, you will see you will not have a problem that people will come and be encouraging you. It's you that will be encouraging people. God will not bring problem to you. If you help person pay school fees, you pay school fees for somebody, you will see your children, they will be very good at school. I'm telling you the truth. Is what you do to people is what you get. You understand? Not by going to one church, jumping from church to church, they find miracle, and the miracle not there here, now there it there. Who tell you say all this miracle they work? So now arrange, so nothing goes for nothing, but they will not tell you. See this woman now, because of they find miracle, they say make it come, say it go solve the problem. Our God is not a stingy God, is not a selfish God. If you just go to her direct, it will answer you. You understand? Than for you to come the one, you know. I don't know the way people say they pursue miracle. And it's getting too much. People they die. Upon no. People say they pursue the miracle. Tomorrow now, you see another one. They go invite her for one Facebook, name can't go. You say you go see go. You forget say something don't fit happen to somebody before. You go see go. You go see happen. So more just be careful of this miracle when they sick. They be careful. If you pray to God, He will answer you. You understand? So I'll just stop this today. To me, not be like say I not talk about this matter. That's why I just okay. Make I talk about today. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.